Welcome to the AmazingRibs.com virtual showroom. This is part 1, a walk around and inspection of the June Oven Premium with me, Max Good. You can read part 2, an in-depth review of all the strengths and weaknesses after running temperature tests and cooking on it on AmazingRibs.com at the link in this video. This cooker was sent to us by the manufacturer. Please note that we don't charge to review products. When we're done testing, manufacturers sometimes pick them up, sometimes we give them to fire departments or charities, but we never sell them. Here's the June oven. No, it's not just some tabletop toaster oven. June is smart. It claims to cook over, under, sideways, down in every mode except microwave, smoke, and steam. I removed the shelf. We have 2 burners on the bottom, 4 on top. There's a camera planted up here between 2 LED lights. 2 convection fans in the back. And a meat probe input on the side. This crumb tray slides in at the bottom to catch crumbs and drippings. Here's a non-stick pan. Comes with a rack too. The food temperature probe plugs into the side. When it's time to cook, June gives you plenty of options. Use their programs. Bake with the bottom burners. Roast from the bottom and top. Reheat using the timer or thermometer. And more. Or use June's smartphone app, which also lets you control and monitor cooking via Wi-Fi. Or just toss food inside. And let June's camera eye figure out what to do with it. We're being healthy with the wheat bread. Ha! It sees the bread is medium size in 2 slices. Start toasting. Here we go. June says it's done. And it is. Nice toasty bread. This thing sure is interesting. June has an extensive library of guided recipes too. All right, June, let's see just how smart you are. Part 2 of our review is a hands-on detailed report on AmazingRibs.com at the link in the video. For more virtual showroom videos, cooking demonstrations, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking, please subscribe to our email newsletter, Smoke Signals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Be sure to check out Meathead's amazing rubs and sauce. Or best of all, try a free 30-day trial membership in our Pitmaster Club. Because AmazingRibs.com is the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the universe.